Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upload the videos that you've created on your smartphone or tablet to your YouTube channel using the same device. So I have iPhone and I use my phone to take videos, use iMovie to edit the videos, and I have tons of videos saved on my phone. So it saves me a lot of time when I upload these videos to my channel using the same device. The process is pretty much the same for all smartphones and tablets. Probably a couple of settings might be different. So I use iPhone SE and I'm going to show you how I do it on my iPhone. And let's begin. First things first, before you start, you need to download these two apps from your app store. So the first one is YouTube app and the second one is YT Studio app. First, you go to YouTube app. If you are already signed in, you can see your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. If you're not signed in, you have to sign in giving your channel ID and password, and then click onto your channel profile picture, which will take you to this screen where you go down and you can see the setting. So click onto setting, which will take you to setting screen where you go down to uploads. Here you can choose the upload quality and also upload over Wi-Fi only mode. If you turn this mode on, your videos will be uploaded over Wi-Fi and it will not use up your data. So if you have a very lengthy videos, this is the best option, but make sure that you are sitting at a spot where you have a strong Wi-Fi. Otherwise, your upload can get interrupted. So this happened to me yesterday, so I had to go back and turn this off and run it on data. Since it was a small video, it didn't really matter. Next, you choose the upload quality. For that, you click on to upload quality, which will take you to this page where you can choose from different options. So you choose the full quality that can give you the best quality upload to your videos. You're done with the upload settings. You can go back by exiting out from the top left corner. Now you're back to your account page. You choose my channel. This will take you to your channel page where you can see your recent uploads. This is where you start uploading your new videos. So go on the top, you can see a video icon with a plus sign. There are two of them, so you just click on one of those. It pulls up a menu where you can create video, live, and post. So we are going to choose the video option here. So when you click the video button, it listed out all the videos that you have in your album with recent ones on the top. Also, you can see a record button on the top. If you press that, it's going to live record your video, which we don't need at this point. So here I'm going to choose the first one right here for my upload. Now that you have selected the video, in this page you can make some changes, such as you can trim the video and also apply some filters of your choice. Since our video has already been edited, we don't need to do much changes here, and it is good to go. So we can just skip all these and go to next. In this page, the main thing you want to do is set your visibility. Also, you can add title and description, but which is not really required, which can be done after the upload is done. You can go to YT Studio and you can do all this over there. But in this, you have to set the visibility so that once the upload is done, it's not instantly published. So you can set the visibility to either private or unlisted. Now click upload, which will take you to this page where you can see the progress of your upload. It takes several minutes depending on the length of your video. So once it is completed, you can see the video. Next, go to your YT Studio app. Here you can see your channel, but you can see all the videos listed in there. So you go to the hamburger menu, which is on the top left corner. Here you choose videos and you can get the list of your videos in the next page. Here you can see the list of videos on your channel. Again, this is the YT Studio app, and you can see the one that we uploaded right now, which is right on the top. Again, you can see a lock sign there. That means it is still public. It is not visible to the it's still private. It's not visible to the public yet. Again, folks, this is the YT Studio app, not the YouTube app. YT Studio app is the place where you can edit the details about your video. You can add custom thumbnail to your video, and you can change the title, the description. You can change the visibility here. Also, you can add tags. You can turn the comment on or off, and if your channel is already monetized, you can turn on the monetization here, select the kind of ads that you want for your video. You can do a whole lot of setting in YT Studio app, just like the way you do it on your desktop. So I'm going to just run you through. You can see how I did it. So when you click on that video, you get to this page where you can see an edit button on the top right corner. First, we are going to add custom thumbnail. For that, we click onto the edit button, which is in the image, in the video. It takes you to photos, and you can see the folders. So choose the folder where you have your thumbnail saved. Again, if you want to know how to make thumbnails quick and easy, check out my tutorial on how to make thumbnails using phonto. You can click on the suggested video here, and also I'm going to link that in my description box, so you can check that link. It's very easy and quick. So I chose the folder food, and I got all the pictures that is in that folder, and I'm going to choose the picture that is circled in red. Just go there and click. Now that you chose your thumbnail, it appears on the screen. What you have to do is just press select, which is on the top right corner. This will take you back to the main edit detail screen. This is where you can make changes to your title, description, and visibility, and also add other settings for your video. Now let's see how these settings can be done. Here, click on the edit button, and here you can see a dollar sign and a setting icon. So first we go to the dollar sign, which is the monetization. So you turn on the monetization if your channel is monetized, and also this would allow you to choose the kind of ads you want for your videos. Just go up and save. Now again, click the edit button and go to setting. Here we can do a lot of settings. Top, you can see how to and style category here. If you want to change the category, if yours is entertainment or education, you can change here and just choose the right one and go back. I'm going to keep it as how to and style. Next, you can also change the license. So I usually use the YouTube standard license. You can also keep it Creative Commons, so others can copy your video without any copyright claims. Next, you can choose your audience. If it is meant for kids, you have to say it is meant for kids. If it is not, you can choose no. And you can also turn on or turn off the comments. I usually turn on the comments. If it's a kids video, usually the comments will be turned off. Next, you can say if it is restricted for a certain age. There's no restrictions. You can choose that is not restricted for 18 years or less, because you don't have any contents, which is not good for any age. Now just save the settings. It'll again take you back to the main menu. Well, we forgot to add tags, so let's go again back to the edit button and just click on that and come down to tags and just click on tags. So either you can manually add your tags, so after each tag just press enter, or you can copy from your Google Docs. So here I'm copying from my Google Docs. I have written all the tags separated by a comma. Just copy it and paste it as the tags. Now click save and you're all set. Last but not the least, we have to make our video public. For that, again, go to the edit button, go to visibility and choose public. Here I'm not making it public because this is just a test video. The one thing that you're missing in this process is the end screen. Unfortunately, YT Studio app cannot create the end screen for you. However, you still could do it using your smartphone or any smart device. For that, you have to go to studio.youtube.com from your iPhone browser and access your YouTube Studio just the way you access on your desktop, and from there you can create the end screen just the way you do it on the desktop. I hope this video has been helpful. If you like it, just give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll be coming out with more videos that can help the new YouTubers grow their channel and make their work more efficient. Also, I'll be sharing some of the mistakes that I did as a growing YouTuber myself, and also some of the tricks that I've learned during the process. So stay tuned and turn on the bell notifications if you want to be notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching.